Oh look, there's one! Oh, get that GoPro going, JB! That one! It's going now. There you go, mate. Your one's going too. Filming makes it really hard, eh?
Yeah.
It's a pain, but it's...
I think if I had one on my head as well.
Yeah, whoa.
2 views.
Yeah. Oh man, my long tail's all stuck in the trees now.
Is it?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? Push off the end?
Yeah.
Selfie long tail stick.
Yeah. Put the camera on the long tail.
Yeah. Underwater pro.
I can't. It's surprising how fast it goes, even chugging along like this, eh? Yeah. Good moving while shooting speed. Should we go faster a bit? Aye?
Good.
You'll want to be sweet for this sort of stuff, but it's just getting out here takes so long, eh?
Yeah, the tide to change by the time you got here.
Yeah. Yeah, that river that me and Mackenzie went in was way shallower than this, eh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's still so tight, right?
Oh!
Yeah,
tries trying to hide.
Yeah.
Hey, that wasn't he scared? He just like catch. Oh, are they?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh, get a run up, eh? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's a big fall down. Chainsaw we need, eh?
But you need a chainsaw and then wait for the flood. The flood will wash it out to sea. I hope it's gone by next duck shooting. Oh, that's good, mate. Should we go for a putt around the harbour?
Yeah, we might as well. The boat's f***ing humming. Move, duckies, come on, mate.
That's a wild duck.
Yeah, there's a wild duck, yeah. Yeah, so we've just been up this river, we got to a log jam, so we're coming back now. We might hit the harbour and see if we can shoot some stingrays. Heaps of birds around, but it's not shooting season, so obviously we're not shooting them.
Mega hat in there?
Yeah, the mega hat's all over it. Yo, Swanee! Woo! Oh, swan's flying, mate. Woo! Got any stingrays? Oh, look, there's one. Did you try and get it? There, a little one. Oh my God, just great, eh? This always runs like a dream. Oh, we're stuck.
Good, eh?
Oh, it just goes awesome, doesn't it?
I think it's on the 7 or
Oh.
2 days, you just get over it. It takes so long.
Yeah. Ah, we'll just turn around. We'll sell a walker. It loves the shallow water, eh?
Yeah, too, eh?
It goes better when it goes shallower.
Yeah, I wonder what that is.
Yes.
Maybe because the water
Yeah, it's like a pressure thing, eh?
back up. It's awesome in those shallows.
Yeah.
I've been in here for ages, eh?
Yeah. It's all had a bit of a disaster. Oh, what's this? There's a ticket on here. Oh no, it's yours. Nice, mate. No one's been in here by the looks.
What's it like? Just like it was when we left.
Yeah.
I didn't use it this season, eh?
Didn't you?
Nah.
I expected it to be full of beer bottles and stuff.
Shotgun shells.
Yeah. Hanging over. This is for the flat bottoms to pull up on.
Flat bottoms only up here.
Yeah, so we've been hurling across the harbour from way over there, and we're just going to check out this old hut or something here. Investigate what's going on. What's that thing there? Is that a trap? Oh, here's the door. Predator trap. There's the door here. Oh my God. Hello. Yeah, there's a little loft up here that they used to sleep in. Some kids made this. Man, they mustn't have been very tall. Yeah, see up here they used to sleep up the top there.
It would have been hot.
Yeah.
You'd be up near the tin, man. Beehives and all sorts of things.
No one's been in here for a while. Go sit down. I can't see. Nah, it's not a very good. It's not as deep as I remember. Yeah, yeah. I remember swimming in there.
When I seen the bottom one, this is shallow.
Yeah. Yeah, this goes all the way in. By myself, it would go in here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Righto, we've headed over to this little island here to have an explore, see what's going down. Haven't been here since I was a kid. Imagine sitting in your mai and chasing them all into you, eh? It would be dream shooting. Oh, this is like something out of, I don't know, Desert Treasure Island or something, eh? Just dream stuff. Yeah, yeah.